Now let us learn how to print letter B using Python. So this is the code which we use in order to print letter B, and this is the output after running that code. So first of all, as we have done in printing letter A, let us divide this into rows and columns. So let us number the rows as 1 to 7 and let us number columns from 1 to 5. So this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, and so on. And this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column, and so on. So first we should write the code for rows as well as columns. So what is the code for rows? For R in range 1 to 8. I'm taking R for rows. So we have 7 rows here, and in range the last number 8 is not considered. So we have 7 numbers in the range. So for R in range 1 to 8, and we have 5 columns. So while using range function, we should write range 1 to 6. So for C in range 1 to 6, where C stands for column, so we should write condition now. So where do we need stars? For C, if C equals 1, or so in first column, where do we need stars? In all the positions, in all the rows which belong to first column, we need stars. So there is no restriction on first column. And the other part is if R equal to 1 or 7 or 4 and C is less than 5. So if R equals 1 or 7 or 4. So this is 4th row and this is 7th row. So in these rows, the column value should be less than 5, because here we don't find any stars here and here and here. So we should not consider this row. We should not consider this column. We should consider only 4 columns. So this is the condition for that. And after that, we have successfully printed these things. Now we are left to print these two and these two. So how do we print those stars? So if R lies between 1 and 4 or 4 and 7. So 1 and 4 or 4 and 7. So this represents these two, and that should belong to 5th column. If that condition is satisfied, we should print star. Else we should print space. In all the other places, we should print space. So after printing these, we should go to the next row. After executing this, we will get this as output. So I hope this is clear. And if you execute this program yourself, you'll be able to print this figure.